Hi children. So in the mathematics you all are studied about the natural numbers, real numbers, integers, or if you are considering the probability side, a set of cards, a die is thrown. Okay, so next is integers, real numbers, or prime factors, or vowels in the English alphabets, then rivers of India. So these all are what it's considering it as one of the different name we can give for this, that is what sets. Okay, so that is sets. So now sets. So already I said this natural numbers, the group of natural numbers. A group of natural numbers is called as a one of the set, right? So natural numbers is start with 1, 2, 3 up to what infinity. And in the same way, group of whole numbers also, that's also one of the set, we can consider it. And the rivers of India, so that is also one of the set we can consider in this example, textbook examples. So prime factors of 210, namely it is 2, 3, 5 and 7, this is also one of the set. We can say these all are what sets. Now, so set of all real numbers, the positive integers, negative integers, natural numbers, so all these all are what it is about sets. So how can you say this is a what set? Next, I will give one more examples to you. A beautiful face in the class, or a good writer in your class, or a famous cricket player in the team. These examples are a set? No, this is not a set. Why this is not a set? These three statements are not a well-defined statement. Why it is well-defined? It's not a well-defined statement. So for example, the best batsman in the cricket team, I may feel that I am also a best batsman. You may feel that you are also a best batsman. So here that this statement is not a particular an answer we are not getting for this, right? So we don't have the particular answer. You may think you are the best player. I may think I am the best player. Okay, then good teacher in the school. This is also not a what defined, well-defined set. I may feel I am the best teacher. The other teachers may feel that teacher is the best teacher. Or you may feel you can identify this teacher or that teacher are the best teachers. That's depending upon the other persons we can calculate it. So the sets is there only the definition should be. A set of the natural numbers. So natural numbers is comes means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. We cannot change that. Whole number, it start with the 0 and 1 to infinity. This is a particular set. It is about whole number. Okay. So good mathematician. I can say I am also a good mathematician. You can say you are also a good mathematician. There is beautiful face in your class. So you may feel I am beautiful. I may feel I am the beautiful, or other person can say I am the beautiful. Okay, so these all are the not well-defined objects. So the set is called as what? A collection of well-defined object. A collection of, what is that set definition? A collection of well-defined objects. So well-defined objects is called as what? Sets. The clear definition of set is a collection of well-defined objects is called as set. Otherwise in your textbook it is there, a set is a well-defined collection of objects. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. You can say like this also. So in your textbook it is there here. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. So these all are the examples you can consider. These all the examples are what it is. This is a example for the sets. Okay, so now in this set we have that we have to describe this set in the two ways. So there are two ways we can describe here. One is tabular form or roster form. So one is roster form, or it can be written as tabular form, or it can be say it as tabular form. Okay, so roster form or tabular form. And the second one is we can say it as set builder form. We can say it as set builder form. So these are the two types we can describe a set. We can describe the set by two types. One is roster form and another one is set builder form. So what is meant by roster form or tabular form? So a roster form or tabular form means a list of all members of set within the brackets we have to put. So within the brackets and separated by commas. This is what roster form. So roster form means, for example, I can take set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is which type of set? This is a roster form of the set. We can write all the numbers, all the elements or all the terms we can write by putting that comma. Okay, by put that comma, and you have to close with the bracket. This is called as what? Roster form or tabular form. So roster form means we list all the members of the set within the brackets and separate them by comma. Okay, this is our roster form. Next, the second one is set builder form. So set builder form is we list the properties or satisfied by all the elements of the set. All the elements of the set means we have to say it a statement wise. So for example, for this, so for example, V is X from X is a oval. X is a oval in English alphabets. In English alphabet, you can consider it. So what is the difference between this example and this example? So in this example, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, it is there. And in this example, we can consider it X is a oval in English alphabet. X is a oval in English alphabet. This is there in the statement wise. So this statement is called as the set builder form. Okay, so now this is what? Set builder form, and this is what? Roster form or tabular form. I hope that you are clear for this. Okay, so this is what? Set builder form, and this is what? Roster form. Okay, so now this roster set builder form we can converting into roster form. How can you convert this into roster form? So ovals are what? Which are the ovals? A, E, I, O, U. These all are what? Ovals. So instead of writing this statement, we can write like this. This is what? Roster form, and this is what? Set builder form. Clear? Understood now? What is the difference between the set builder form and roster form? Yes. Now how can you write this one? This is our which form? This is there in the roster form. Okay, in this roster form, can we write to set builder form? Yes, we can write the set builder form. How can you write the set builder form? A is X is a what? Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay, it's a natural number. This is our set builder form. This is our roster form. This is set builder form, and this is our roster form. I hope that all of you clear for this. So now, so one example I will give now. Write the set X from X is a positive integer and X square is less than 40 in the roster form. Okay, so now this statement is there in the which form? This statement is there in the set builder form. Is the statement is there in the set builder form. How can you write this one into roster form? So X is all positive integer. it is all positive integer, and x square is less than 40. X square is less than 40. What is the answer we are getting? Can you say the answer? Yes, 1. 1 square is less than 40. It is 1. 2 square is 4. It is less than 40. 3 square is 9. It is less than 40. So that required numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 square is 36. 36 comes under less than 40. But if you are taking 7, 7 square is 49. 49 is greater than 40. So the 7 is not comes under the set. Therefore, the set in the roster form is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So clear? That is example. Now next one more example you can see here. Write the set A equals to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and dash dash in set builder form. So this is there in the roster form and you have to write in the set builder form. So set builder form, see the number 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. These all are the square numbers or not? Yes, these all are the what? Square numbers. So that how can you write the set? Set A equals to x from x is a square of the natural number. These all are natural numbers, no? On infinity it is there. This is last end dot it is there. It's endless. So it is what? Natural numbers. Otherwise, how can you write in the alternative way? It is a symbolically x equals to n square where n is belongs to n. So this is also one of the type we can write. X from x equals to n square. Otherwise you can write like this. X is a square of natural number. Or we can write x equals to n square where n is belongs to n. Clear? So I hope that you all know how to write the set builder form to roster form and roster form to set builder form. So now we can move to that exercise number 1.1. Here some statements are there. We have to check whether it is a set or not. We have to say now. Now first one is the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Yes, is it a set or not? Yes, it is a set. Why it is a set? The beginning from the J, it is January, June and July, which consists of a definite objects. So it is a set. Next, second one is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Is it a set? No. I am also talented. You are also talented and your friend is also talented. My friend is also talented. So this is not a valid one. Okay. So therefore this collection is not a set. Next, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. This is also a not a set. Why? Best cricket batsmen in the world. All are considering it as a best cricket batsman. So there, according to their view, we can say. But that's why it is not a set. The collection of all boys in your class. Yes, definitely this is a word set. Collection of boys. So in your class also there are 22 boys are there, means the collection of boys, all the boys are 22 now. Okay, that is what set. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Obviously this is what? One of the set. Natural numbers less than 100. Next, a collection of novels written by the Munshi Premchand. Yes, this is one of the set or not? Yes, this is also one of the set. This particular person, Munshi Premchand, has written many novels. Okay, therefore it is one of the set. The collection of all the even integers. Yes, this is also one of the set. Even integers means 0 is even, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6. Then all are there what? Even numbers. Next one is the collection of questions in this chapter. The collection of questions in this chapter. Yes, the collection of questions in this chapter. We can collect many questions. So this is the word set. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. This is not a set. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. You may feel tiger is a dangerous, lion is a dangerous. elephant is dangerous, but in the same way cat is also dangerous. Okay, so it means we cannot say that is a most dangerous. Which is the most dangerous, we cannot say. Okay, so this is not a set. Now next second question is, let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. It is belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank space. Okay, so now before I'm going to check what is this belongs to and what is this does not belongs to. So this is what belongs to, this is what belongs to, and this is what does not belongs to. Okay, so for example, A, E, I, O, U is the one of the elements, all of the set. I can write F is belongs to C. F is belongs to C. Is it right? F is belongs to C means this F should be there in the given set. F, it should be there in the given set, but F is there here? No, F is not there. That's why F does not belongs to C. F does not belongs to C. Clear? Now what is meant by this belongs to and does not belongs to? Yes, this is what does not belongs to C. Now Z. Z is belongs to C or does not belongs to C? Z is does not belongs to C. O is belongs to C or does not belongs to C? Yes, O is there in this set. So O is belongs to C. Okay, so now I'll move to this one now. Let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Insert an appropriate symbol is belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank space. Now 5 dash A. This 5 is there or not in that set A? Yes, 5 is there. So it is belongs to or does not belongs to? It is belongs to. You can write it is what? Belongs to. Okay. Now 8. Is there, it is there 8 in this set? No, it is not there. So we have to write it is what? Does not belongs to. How can you write does not belongs to? 8 does not belongs to A. 8 does not belongs to A. We have to write like this. Now 0. Is it belongs to A? It is does not belongs to A. Okay. Now 4 is belongs to A. Same way 2 is belongs to A. 10. So you can say now 10 is does not belongs to A. Okay, so now next question is third one. Write the rows following set into the roster form. So now these all set terms are there in the set builder form. We have to write into that roster form. How can you write the roster form now? So first one is x is an integer and minus 3 is less than or equals to x is less than 7. So now how to write into that in roster form? How can you write that roster form? So here the condition is minus 3 is less than or equals to x and less than 7. So minus 3 is less than or equals to, less than or equals to it is there. So minus 3 is also including, then minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But 7 is not including. 7 is not including, but only that one statement you have to think. Here it is minus 3 less than or equals to. Minus 3 less than or equals to. Okay, so minus 3 is also including in that. Now x is a natural number less than 6. So B, x is a natural number less than 6. Which are the natural numbers? 1 is natural number, 2 is natural number, 3 is natural number, 4 is natural number, 5 is natural number, but 6 is also natural number. Can we add 6 in that? No. Why? The question is less than 6. So the 6 is not including. Now next C, x is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of the digits is 8. 2-digit natural number, sum of the digits are 8. 2-digit natural number, sum of the digit is 8. So 2-digit natural number start with 10. Then the sum should be 8. Is it possible to add 1 plus 0 is 8? No, it's not possible. So from the first one it is 17 we can take. 17, 1 plus 7 is 18, right? Sorry, 8. Next one is 17 is over. Next 2 not possible. Yes, 2 6 it is possible. 26. The sum is what? 8. Now 1 is over, 2 is over, 7 is over, 6 is over. Next automatically obviously we will get 3 5. Next is 4 4. Next is 5 3. Next is 6 2. Next is 7 1. Next is 8 0. So these are the terms. Yes or no? So you can check. 1 or 2 terms you got means then other numbers already automatically you will get. Why? Here 17, 1 is increasing 2 and 7 is decreasing 86. Now 1 is increasing 3 and 6 is decreasing 1 is 5. So like that you have to write. This is the easy way to understand this. Now next one is D. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So which are the prime numbers is divisor of 60? So 60 it is there, prime number. 2 30s are. Okay. Next 3 10s are. Next 5 2s are. So which are the prime numbers here? 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So 2, 3 and 5. So the 2 is repeated. So we cannot write 2 times. Only one time we can write. That is 2, 3, 5. This is a which form it is? This is a which form? It is a roster form. Okay. Now next one is E. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So word trigonometry. So set of all the letters in the word trigonometry. Trigonometry, it is T R I G O N M E and Y. So why only wrote these numbers? Already T and R, T, R, I are repeating, then O is also repeated. So the repeated terms we cannot write. The trigonometry word letter is T, R, I, G, O, N, O, M, E, T, R, Y. So which terms are not repeated, no, that letter we have to write. So now last one, it is what? Fifth F1. The set of all letters in the word better. B-E-T-T-E-R. So better is B-E-T-T-E-R means B-E-T-R. Only these are the words we are getting. Better, it is B-E-T and R. Close the bracket. So I hope that all of you clear how to write these given all the 6 questions to roster form. So now that 4th question is there in the test book, which write the following sets into a set builder form. So set builder form, first one is 3, 6, 9 and 12. 3, 6, 9 and 12. So by seeing this, how can you write 3, 6, 9, 12? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Like this, right? So the set builder form can be written as x from x is equals to what? 3n. S equals to 3n, the multiples of 3 or not. S equals to 3n, where n belongs to n, it is a natural number, n belongs to n, then n is less than 5. N is less than 5. So you can write like this also. Or multiples of 3 less than 15. Multiples of 3 less than 15. So multiples of 3 less than 15 is 3, 6, 9 and 12. Or in statement in this way, formula ways, we can write like this. Now the next term is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 32. How can you write this one? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, no? So this is there in this form. So these all are the 2 to the power of one term. So x from x equals to 2 to the power of n. So n is belongs to n. So n is less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, less than 6. Okay. So 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So we can write like this. So now next is 5, 25, 125 and 625. So how can you write this one? X equals to 5, 25, 125, 625. This is same type of the previous one, 5 to the power of n. N belongs to n and n is less than 1, 2, 3, 4. This is becomes what? 5. Okay. So now next one is 2, 4, 6 dash dash dash. 2, 4, 6 dash dash dash. So the condition it is there. How can you write this one? X is an, is it even number or not? Yes, even number, even natural number. Okay, so even natural number. So clear? I hope that all of you clear now. So now what about the answer for the next last one? 1, 4, 9 dash 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 100. So 1 is a square number, 4 is a square number, 9 is a square number, and lastly it is 100 is a square number. So how can you write this one? This can be written as, this can be written as 10. Here x equals to n square. N is belongs to n and n is less than or equals to 10. Less than or equals to 10. Clear? So x equals to n square. Suppose if you are taking 1 square is 1. If you are taking 2 square is 4. If you are taking 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 10 square is 100. So that's why I wrote n is less than or equals to 10. So 10 is also including. So this is a which form now? This is what? Set builder form. Okay, so now next last fifth question. Here it is there in the textbook. Fifth question. List all the elements of the following sets. X is an odd natural number. So you can list it now. X is an odd natural number. Which are the odd natural numbers? How can you write? Set A is given. So that A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. Bracket close. Okay. Now the B is x is an integer, minus 1 by 2 is less than x, less than 9 divided by 2. It means the x should be minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2 means which are the terms we are getting? Minus 1 by 2, then it is what? 0 by 2, 0 by 2 is 0. Okay, next is 0 by 2 is over, next is 1, next is 2, next is 3, next is 4. Why here it is like this? You have to check now. Minus 1 divided by 2 is less than x is less than 9 divided by 2. Integer we have to write. This is not a integer. So integer is what? Minus 0.5 is less than x is less than 4.5. So the answer is this 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the what? Terms. So this is the answer for that. Now see, x is an integer, x square is less than 4. X is an integer, x square is less than 4. X is an integer and x square is less than 4 means, so what are the sets we can write? The sets we can write 4 less x square is less than or equals to 4 means 4 is also included. So it is an integer, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, comma 2. So these all are the what? Terms. Minus 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Now, X is a letter in the word loyal. So X is a letter in the word loyal. Loyal, how can you write loyal? L is repeated. So how can you write? L, O, Y and A. So these are the terms we can write now. L, O, Y, A we can write. This is a what? Set. Set D equals to like this. Next, X is a month of the year not having 31 days. X is a month of the year not having 31 days. So X is a month of the year not having 31 days. Which are the months have not having the 31 days? Yes, February is not having the 31 days. April also, it is a 30 days. So April also not 31 days. June, September, November. February. So February, April, June, September and November, but you have to write February, April, June, September and November you have to write. So don't write FEJSEN like this, don't write. So you have to write February, April, June, September and November. Now in that sixth question, now here X is an consonant in the English alphabets which precedes K. Which precedes K? Precedes K means below. Succeeds means next, after the K. Okay, all the consonants you have to write. You know that consonants and vowels in the English alphabets. Only A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. The remaining all are the consonants. So now it is what precedes K means. So before the K, it is B, C, D, F, G, H, I is not there, then K, J, J. K is also not there. Okay, so B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Okay, so now this is our preceding term. Now next question is sixth one. You can see here, match each of the set as left of the lower and right of the set builder form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6. So which is the correct one here? A prime numbers are divisor of 6, and the odd numbers less than 10, and natural numbers divisor of 6, and a letter which is mathematics. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 6 are this one, natural number and divisor of 6. Then 2, 3 is a prime number of divisor of 6. Mathematics, normally it is this is a term. And 1, 3, 5, 7 is odd number less than 10. Okay, this is our terms. So in the next video, I will explain to you types of sets. Different types are there, the different types of sets, and that exercise I will explain in the next video. Thank you, children.